Let's take the example 1.5 related to your limiting region problem. Your question given is that 50 kg of N2 reacts with 10 kg of hydrogen and produce ammonia gas. So you have to calculate the mass of ammonia that is formed, and also you have to calculate which one is limiting region. So first of all, remember that write the reaction and balance the reaction. Now come to the second part. What I have told you, that first of all mention here that how many moles of nitrogen here, 1 mole, how many moles of hydrogen here, 1 mole, and will give 2 moles of ammonia. Means 1 mole nitrogen reacts with 1 mole of this and 2 moles of this. Just leave it now. If we require this, then we will use, otherwise we will work according to this data. Okay. Now 50 kg N2. So calculate the number of moles in N2. How much N2 is? 50 kg. So formula, weight upon molecular weight, number of moles is equals to weight upon molecular weight. Weight should be always in grams. Formula is N is equals to weight upon molecular weight. So molecular weight is always written gram per mole. So N value you will get in moles. Gram will be cancelled out. So 50 kg given na, so convert it into 1000 grams. So multiplied by 1000 and divided by N2. One molecule atomic mass of nitrogen is 7. Its mass is 14. Since 2 atoms, so its mass is 28. You can calculate its value. Now the value you get is approximately, I am just copying from your book, so don't you worry about that. You just calculate by yourself. Now moles in hydrogen. How much hydrogen? 10 kg. So convert same into gram. So mass of hydrogen is 2. So you get value 4.96 into 10 to the power 3 mole. This is this calculation is according to your book, but the values should be written as it is. In your book, these are written in AMU 2.016. So you don't need to write that. You just write 2 here. Now here you can notice that 1 mole hydrogen N2 plus 3s2. Here 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. So 1 mole N2 is equals to requires 3 moles of H2. So how many moles of N2 are here? 17.86 into 10 to the power 2 moles of N2 we have. So it requires 3 into 17.86 into 10 to the power 2 moles. Okay, so the value you get will be 5.36 into 10 to the power 3 moles of H2. Means 50 kg, which is equal to 17.86 moles. These require 5.36 into 10 to the power 3 moles of H2. But in question we have calculated that how many moles of H2 are present in this gram, that is 4.96. So which one is less? Actually हमारी requirement ये है, but we have only this. तो सोच के देखिए 1 मोल मतलब 50 kg के साथ रिएक्ट करने के लिए हमें इतने हाइड्रोजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, बट है कितना? सिर्फ इतना. सो हमारे लिए लिमिटिंग रीजन कौन है? ये हाइड्रोजन. Because of hydrogen our reaction get stopped. Now come to the point that how much ammonia will produce. So here limiting region is hydrogen. So reaction will stop due to concentration of hydrogen. So 3 moles of hydrogen reacts and give 2 moles of ammonia. So how many moles we have? We have total moles of hydrogen here is 4.96. 4.96 into 10 to the power 3 moles of hydrogen reacts. Then according to unitary method, what you will apply? 2 by 3 into 4.96 into 10 to the power 3. So you will get 3.30 into 10 to the power 3 moles of ammonia. Okay, got it. Now these are given in terms of moles. If your question is given in kg, so if you want to convert it into kg, so first convert into grams and then into kg, moles of ammonia.